Everything's starting on.
I like the GMCs.
Are probably one of the only things about GMC.
Yeah, that's what I don't even have traction control.
You're on the highway and on the ball as a driver.
Do a straight pipe on it.
Ooh, yeah.
Yeah.
Straight pipe, fuel pump. And squeegee. Wipe it up. And once we wrap the edges, there will be almost no way of knowing that there's film on this door.
Here, can I?
Should have got it on video as proof that I made it, because I never make it. What's up, guys? I'm Cameron. We're at Relentless Shine today, and we're going to go over a quick 20-minute door PPF install, or clear bra. So it's like a screen protector for your paint. It'll prevent door dings, rock chips, damage from road debris. And as you can see or not see, it's extremely clear and difficult to tell that it's on the car when it's installed properly. For this M4, and it's actually a competition M4, we're doing a full car wrap, so not just the painted areas, but the trim work also gets covered in clear bra. So complete rock chip prevention, top to bottom, front to back. And then this thing will be daily driver ready, track ready, whatever the owner decides to do with it. Really appreciate you watching our videos. If you like what you see, you want to see more of it, we'll continue making them. Please hit the subscribe button and the alert so you get notifications when we drop a new video.